So I just received my beanbag chair. It came as a gift and I really, really like it. It's really a lot more than what I expected it to be because it said beanbag. So I was expecting something that was literally a beanbag that was a little bit more flatter. This is actually fur faux, super soft. I mean, just super soft. You can just really relax and get right in there and really enjoy the softness. This is really great for any kids or any adult. I'm about 5'8" and it fits me great. My grandson, who's 13, actually can fit this too, and he's seven. I'm sorry, 6 feet, not seven. This is going to be great because now they can watch TV, play games, video games with it, and it's going to work great. This came vacuum sealed, so it is really compact when you get it. But as soon as I took it out of the bag, it just really sprung up, and it didn't take any time at all to really get as big as it is now. It's pretty heavy. It weighs almost 40 pounds. I think it's like 37. So it's really condensed. What's in here is foam, and it's really condensed foam. So it's really a heavy duty foam. It's not like a beanbag. I love this. It's not going to slip on your floors. I have all tile in my house, and this is going to be really great so you don't have to slip around. But it's really good when you're setting down. You really have, I was surprised about the back. The back has some support in it, and I don't feel like I'm really leaning back so high. It's really comfortable. So I really am going to enjoy this. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.